Jenna and I are going to feed the critters, and so Jack is already taking care of his dog this morning, so we don't need to tie him up or feed him. We're still having to tie him up during the day when the chickens are out because he will not leave them alone. So here we are. Here are Tango and Mara again, anxiously awaiting some food.
Oh, she likes that.
There's Chuck, sirloin over there behind him, and filet right here. And we have Pepper and Ruby. All right.
All right, we gotta get people sorted.
Yep. How do you want to go about that?
Well, usually they're all hanging out in the garden, and then we lock them.
I bet we
in
can
there.
get them hanging out in the garden.
Yep.
Gonna let the goats out in here?
Yeah, I'm just looking for their pan. We usually let them out from the garden pen.
Oh. Probably.
Camera. There you go.
All right. Let's walk to the...
Let's see if we can get Pepper over here.
Okay.
Hi, Pepper. Come, Pepper.
Very good.
Yep.
Which one is hers? The white bucket or green one?
The other one. Teal bucket.
The teal bucket. Okay.
Hi, Pepper. It rained last night. We weren't expecting that. So
Yeah, they weren't calling for any rain at all.
It's good for our burned grass.
We'll show you our grass here in a minute that's been burned. It's already coming in better and greener than what hasn't been burned, so I didn't expect it to happen so soon.
We need to get these steers away.
Cal, come on, Chuck. Woo, Cal. He does not want to come in the garden. Here he comes.
And they, of course, don't get any feed, so they just eat hay.
Right. We're going to roll out another hay bale for them later today.
All right.
And there's that.
Gotta get the chickens.
Yep, the chickens and the pigs. Look at this garden soil. If y'all could have seen this before, how just sandy and there was basically nothing as far as nutrients. Now we have manure everywhere, hay on top that's rotting. This is organic, certified organic hay too. And it's just, it's gonna be an awesome garden this year. We're really excited. Let me put some water in this water trough. There is a pan over here, but I'm going to take the little pigs. And we'll have to find the goat's pan that we used. So it didn't rain. It rained a decent amount last night. I'm not sure. Throw that over. So let's walk over here. I'm going to use it. We'll take it to the pigs. I don't know why I didn't come through the gate with it. We need to put another gate in over there, a walk-through gate, to get to the pig pen faster and easier.
Absolutely.
What, Jeremiah? What? What? Did our boy's rabbit have 3 wives?
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did, Jeremiah. Okay.
Farm kids learn a lot of things.
Yes, they do.
Sometimes confusing things.
Where you at, babe? Ah, there you are.
Lydia knew where you were.
Yes. Lydia, did you know where I was, Dot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy. I can climb through the gate.
I know you can climb through the gate, but I don't want to climb through the gate.
I mean, I can, but I don't want you to.
You don't want, okay, you can go through. Good job.
Is that going to fall if you turn loose of it?
Yep.
Huh. Not sure why that is all
It
of a
also
sudden.
will shock you if you accidentally lean into the thing.
Oh, I'm sure.
finger got a
Just
little.
lean it against the, just drop it, that'll be fine.
The other animals. I mean, Pepper's up there, but she's.
Yeah. Okay, so here's the difference between Lydia's running right in the freshly burned grass, and now she's in the grass that wasn't burned. You can see the difference between how green what's coming back in is versus what didn't get burned. It's pretty impressive.
Compared to yesterday.
We knew that it would be better in the long run, but we did not expect
2 weeks.
it to be so soon. Yeah, tomorrow is 2 weeks, yeah.
Yep.
So right up there, you can really tell the difference. So we were thinking we weren't gonna have any pasture at all this winter, but if the weather stays nice, and I use the term nice loosely because I prefer
A cold winter.
cold winter, but that doesn't happen here where we are in Florida. So we might get a lot more grazing than we thought.
Take that pan.
Yeah, the little pan that's in the
Yeah. Give her. Put the big
Wiggly's pen.
one. Yeah. Put the big one right there.
Okay. Hey Lydia. Hey Wiggly.
Came close to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't get it all.
Okay.
Can I climb over this?
I'll go over it.
Okay.
Okay. Swapping camera operators. All right. Hey little piggies. Hey
They're
little
still
pigs.
pretty skittish, but they're getting better. Oh,
Yeah. Hey pigs.
come on, little pigs.
Come on little piggies. Come on little piggies. Come on little piggies.
What?
Come on.
Hey,
Are you
Jeremiah.
in the fence?
Come on little piggies.
We gotta be quiet so we don't scare the piggies.
Hey little pigs. Come on.
They're pretty nervous
Come on,
about
I'll
you.
back up a little bit more. Come on, little piggies. They know what's up.
Lydia. Shh. Hey, Lydia. You're scaring the babies.
Come
We
on, little
want them to
piggies.
come up here and eat.
Come on, little piggies. They back up some more. Give them a little more room. But I guess they're not sure that they don't remember that it's in the pan. They're smelling it now, though. Plus, that pan is new to them as well.
Yep. Jeremiah, say that.
There you go, piggies.
That's good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Good stuff.
They have to stand in it to eat. That's funny.
They're cute, good-looking pigs.
They really are. We need to get our crate back out of here.
Yeah, we don't need that.
Oh, they dumped it. Hey, piggies. They give you all a little more.
Oh, she's gonna come over the fence and get it.
I'm gonna give her some more. Hey, Wiggly.
Hi, Wiggly.
Wigglies.
Give them a little water out of Wiggly's pan.
Are you
And
watering
Lydia.
the little ones?
Yep, I'm gonna top the
You
water off.
you don't exactly match.
I
Match
told her
that.
that was an interesting outfit she chose.
Yep. Jeremiah's out here in pajamas.
And Jeremiah's supposed to be cleaning up some of his mess.
Oh, you're supposed to be getting your room ready for
Yep.
Christmas, aren't you? We can't get you Christmas presents if you don't have a clean room, can we?
The boys are with cleaner
And check this out. Lydia, what happened to your eye
Jeremiah hit me right here.
with his head?
Yeah.
Accidentally, right?
Yeah.
Hopefully you won't have a black eye for Christmas. We put some ice and essential oils on it. So, all right, we need to go see if the horses are done so we get those
Yep,
chickens
all
out.
The chickens out. Do you want to record or do you want me to record?
I can record.
Okay. Hey, Jeremiah. Listen, Lydia, look at Daddy. You and Jeremiah need to go in and clean like we told you to, okay?
Okay.
Put your toys. But listen, I told y'all to put y'all's toys and stuff away, okay? So go do that.
I put away.
Not all of them, okay?
It has to be
Y'all go see- go ask
100%
Jack.
clean, okay?
Go ask Jack what he would like for y'all to do, okay? All right.
Remember, we're going to make something yummy and special tonight. Y'all get all your chores done so we can do fun stuff.
Hey, y'all can go under the fence right here.
We're going to prep for, it's Christmas Eve, so we're going to prep for a Christmas meal.
Yes.
We got
We have macaroni and cheese.
broccoli and cheese.
Broccoli and cheese.
4 pies. 2 pumpkin, 2
4
pecan,
pies to make.
and it's syrup-free pecan pie. The recipe for that is on my blog if you're looking for a healthier version of pecan pie.
We're gonna do pink salad.
Pink salad.
Yeah. And turkey brining.
Yeah, pink salad is really yummy. It's basically a mixture of cottage cheese, homemade whipped cream, mashed up strawberries, and nuts and pineapple. It's really good. Sounds weird, but it's really yummy. It's the real food version. The original recipe called for strawberry flavored gelatin.
And it was nowhere near as good.
No.
I didn't like pink salad until we started making it whole food style.
Yep. Goats.
Hold still. You got something black on your face.
Oh.
There you
As long as
go.
it's not alive, we're all right.
Right.
Hey, goats.
All right.
Are you gonna? Well, we don't have to worry about them eating our citrus trees because they already did,
Right. Yeah, they pretty much
and our camellia bushes.
demolished the citrus trees.
But I think they're starting to get a little bit of leaves back on them, so hopefully they'll come back. They were too young to have fruit on them anyway, so this year they just got an extra heavy pruning. Alright, I'm gonna check and see how much feed Ruby has left. She eats really slow because she needs to get her teeth floated, and we found someone who can do it. We have to haul her there, and they do have Saturday hours. So we're gonna have to, I think in a couple weeks, we'll be hauling her up. But when a horse's teeth, floating is just basically they file their teeth down because horses' teeth continue to grow. Horses' teeth continue to grow throughout their whole life. And if they grow uneven, they can get sharp points, and they can't grind. They chew, they grind their food, and if they can't properly grind their food, they're not chewing enough to digest the nutrients well, and they're dropping a lot. So it takes them a long time to eat. And with hay, they can't really eat the hay. So that's part of her weight issue, is that she needs her teeth floated. So once she gets her teeth floated, she should be putting on weight a lot faster. Plus, we're going to get her peanut hay because that will help with the protein intake and all. That will help her put on weight. And also for horses, peanut hay is not enough on its own, but because she gets grain as well, that fills up the nutrients that she needs. So she should be able to put on weight. But she's done, so we can let the goats back in.
Come on, hang over, Laura. Come on in.
Hey, naughty goats. Goats are naughty. I don't know if y'all know that, but they're very naughty.
Yes, they really are.
It's a good thing they're
We've got to
so
get
personal.
Pepper over here.
Oh yeah, that's right. She doesn't always
probably
like.
not going to want to come.
That's
Come on in
right.
here.
All right, because she likes to
Lydia,
eat the
you
grass.
need to be obedient.
All right,
You want me to try to get her, or you get her?
I'm just gonna come around. Pepper. Sometimes if we drop the wire, she'll go over it. Go on, Pepper. Go on. She's coming to the gate.
Yep.
She thinks Ruby sells feed, so she'll go on in. Up.
There's Jacob.
Yeah,
That was easy.
yeah, that worked. So we'll go let the chickens out.
Yep.
All right. We poured the chicken feed.
Yep.
And they're
Release the
feeder.
chickens.
Yes.
I am really happy with this grass coming back in, babe.
Me
I can't
too.
believe.
I'm excited about it. It looked pretty bad.
We might just burn the rest of it off.
Yeah, I don't know about that. Here they come.
There they go.
Check for some eggs.
Oh, I didn't. Usually the kids are so excited to check for eggs.
I know yesterday I came out and checked and there were 4, but I left them in the nest. And then I told the kids there were 4.
6.
Wow, I told the kids there were 4 eggs and they took off out here to get them. They were so excited. That's one of the fun things about homesteading is most things never get boring, even for the kids. We've been homesteading for 6 years. And
This is a new chicken laying.
yeah, and it's
here.
really dark. That's awesome. Let me
I'll
see
show
it.
you here in a second.
But the kids, even 6 years later, they're still excited to go check for eggs every
So-
day. All right.
Yep.
That's cool.
A new chicken egg right here. This chicken hasn't been laying. This might be her first egg,
Small, yeah.
second or third maybe. That's not very old.
I haven't
You can
seen
see
any
it
of that.
compare to the size of these and how dark it is. What
Yeah.
did you say these chickens? They're
I think that one's a
copper marin.
yeah, cross maybe, because I don't know if we have any full
Yeah.
copper marins, but
They're
I'm not
ones
sure.
from our friend in Virginia. She sent us a bunch of eggs for Kylie's birthday, and or a bunch of chickens from Kylie's birthday, and they were just a mixed batch. So pretty sure that's a copper marin egg.
Yeah,
It's very pretty.
it is.
Ending video.
Okay.
Come over here.
I will.
No, let Lydia do it. All right, Lydia, can you see us? Move your fingers off the screen. There you go. Can you see Mommy and Daddy?
Yeah.
We found those under the hay, Jack.
Huh?
Under the tarp.
All right, so Lydia is doing our videographer, or videoing, not videographer. She's our videographer is what I'm trying to say. So that was our chores today.
Yeah.
And I'm sure we'll be doing more things out here, but we have a lot to do inside prepping for Christmas tomorrow.
We have it wrapped.